Waffles! Waffles! I know. You have new friends, but they don't want to play with you like that.
I got this thing tamed. Look at this little puddle.
So cows love melon. This is honeydew. It bitch is not for you. Back up. Here, baby. They always want to leave you out. I know. There you go, sexy.
What is wrong with you?
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Fuck! Okay, I'm leaving!